In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to move pages around your navigation Squarespace. By the end, you'll know exactly how to reorder the pages in your site's menu so visitors can find what they need faster, and your navigation looks clean and intentional. Start by opening your Squarespace dashboard. On the left-hand side, click Website. This takes you to the area where you manage the structure and content of your site. If you're currently editing a page and don't see the main sidebar, exit the page editor so you can return to the dashboard view, then select Website from there. Think of this as the control room for everything visible on your site. From here, choose Pages. The Pages panel shows you the list of items that appear in your site's navigation. What you see here mirrors the order visitors see in your menu. If you have multiple sections, such as a main navigation at the top and a footer navigation at the bottom, you'll see them grouped clearly in this panel. This is the best place to get a quick overview of how your site is organized. Now, click and hold the page you want to move and drag it to its new position. As you drag, look for a visual guide, usually a horizontal highlight or line that shows where the page will land. Release your mouse to drop it in place. Keep an eye on indentation. A slight indent can indicate nesting underneath another page. If you don't want to create a submenu, make sure the page aligns flush with the others before you let go. Take your time with this. Small movements make a big difference in where pages land. You'll notice the change reflects in your site's navigation right away. Squarespace saves these adjustments automatically, so there's no extra save button to press. If you move something and decide it's not quite right, simply drag it again until the order feels intuitive. A helpful tip is to lead with your most important pages, like Home, Services, or Contact, near the top, and group related items together so visitors can scan your menu quickly. Remember that your mobile menu uses the same order, so neat, concise labels and a logical sequence will improve the experience on smaller screens as well. That's all there is to it. Open Website, go to Pages, then click and hold any page to rearrange it. With just a few drags and drops, your navigation will be clearer and more user-friendly. Thanks for watching and enjoy refining your site's menu.